this is Dez. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial of the way I tie my head wrap. As you can see, I'm using a leopard fabric, which is going to match with the blouse that I have on. First, you take the fabric and you put it at the back of your head and you gather the fabric together like this. You crisscross, go around in a circle, bam. Crisscross again, then you tuck the fabric, once you finish tucking the fabric, you try to accentuate with your face. Voila. Hi ladies, as you guys know, the holidays are finally approaching and some of you all may want to go to some special events. I wore gold because with gold, once you step in, everyone is looking at you, right? Okay, this is the fabric, it has gold in it. So first, you take a piece of the fabric and you overlap it. Once you overlap it, you put it at the back of your head. You crisscross in the back, bring together, crisscross again, you tie in the back, and you crisscross.